Let's take a closer look at items in the Core 4. Here in the Core 4, the Items tab will look like this. This tab allows you to track, manage, and create items, including inventory, inventory assembly, non-inventory, service, and subtotal types. Currently, I have a total of 57 items, as indicated in the status toolbar. I can scroll through the individual items in Detail view, or I can select this List View button to display the items in a list. Select the blue arrow to open a specific record. Below we have related subtabs, including Estimates, Orders, and Invoices. This allows you to view any invoices, orders, or estimates that have the item associated to it. The Inventory Log tab will track inventory management for the item's adjustment information. These filter options will allow you to view inventory adjustments by build assembly, invoice, manual adjustments, or POs. The Related Assemblies tab will display records if this item was used to build or assemble other items. You may duplicate the item in a new record with this button. The More Info tab has the name, SKU, and item number, along with an option to make the item inactive. This area is reserved for QuickBooks information. It will be populated when we use the FM Books Connector plugin to pull items in from QuickBooks. The Refresh checkbox is also used in QuickBooks integration. It indicates that your item needs to be refreshed in QuickBooks. We also have the Created and Modified by Date and Timestamps, displaying when the item was created and who it was modified by. Next, let's create a new item. Select the New Record icon in the Status toolbar. Let's create an inventory assembly type so we can learn how to build items. Category is an editable drop-down list. Next, I'll enter the cost for the item and the unit price. Specify if the item is taxable with this checkbox. To adjust the quantity you have in stock, select this button. This allows you to enter positive or negative quantity amounts, as well as adjustment information. Then let's enter a brief description and additional notes. Location has a few editable drop-down lists to further specify the item's location. Import an item picture by selecting the Insert button. You may also export or clear the picture with these buttons. Inventory assembly types will have additional related tabs below. The Bill of Materials tab allows you to add the items necessary to build this final product. So for example, we can see this triangle will require 3 bars and 1 plate. Quantity on hand displays the amount you currently have in stock for each item. Now let's specify the quantity required to build 1 triangle, 3 bars, and 1 plate. Then select the Build Assemblies button. Here we can see the item we are about to build, the triangle, and currently the quantity we have on hand. The maximum number you can assemble is calculated based on these quantities on hand and the quantities required. Now let's specify the quantity to build. Once you enter that amount, the quantity required here has been adjusted based on what we are about to build. Then select Save. Our 30 builds have been added to the assembly items quantity. If we navigate to the Inventory Log tab, we can see our latest build here in the inventory log. The Builds tab will show a history of this item's builds. Select the blue arrow to display a specific build. Let's navigate to an item part. I'll select this blue arrow. And if we go to the Related Assemblies tab, we can see that here is our triangle. Selecting this blue arrow will bring us back to the inventory assembly record. So now we've added a new item and we've learned how to build inventory. If we were to navigate to Estimates, Orders, Invoices, or Purchase Orders, our triangle would now be available to add. This is just a brief overview of the many features and possibilities of the Core 4. For more information on what the Core can do for you, please visit core4crm.com, review the videos and documentation, and try a demo. Please contact us via email, phone, or browser forum if you have any additional questions. We look forward to hearing from you and automating your business to operate more efficiently.